Welcome. Today I am with Apple AirTag and I will show you how you can reset this device. So at the first, we are going to start from Find My Application. So let's open it another time. It's here and we have to go for items, click on our device, then open it like that and click to remove item. Let's confirm, tap another time. Now just be patient and wait. And as you can see right now, we easily remove this item, this Apple AirTag from our device. Next, what you have to do, just take a look here. You have to press it like that and turn on the left. So make it. So when you did it, it will pop like that. Next, we have to remove the battery and just wait for like 10 seconds or something like that. The short time of the period. And as you can see, there we get the batteries. There is name CR2032. There we get the Panasonic battery. Okay, we can put it back. So put it just like that. As you can hear, right now it works. This one put like that. And then just move it to the right. Okay, as you can see, there it is. So when you want to open, you have to turn left. When you want to close, you have to squeeze and turn right. And right now, when you make the simple reset, we can add the item another time. So we can click here to add AirTag. Tap to connect. Keep clicking on the continue. And now just wait for the first setup. Click done and that's it. So that's how we can make the soft reset of the Apple AirTag. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.